I saw you laying down, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no invitation. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation. Let's get tight.
I'll be so mountain high, I'm feeling elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, wait to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and it's time. I'll be paving my own way, letting no one hold me back or talk behind my back. And let's make it toast and never come broke, that's a fact. It's my life, I gotta make the best out of that. Inspired by the fire in my eyes, the light of the night.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Today is a Saturday and we're over here at the Cine Capri for the Fast 9 event. We got about, let me show you guys. There's the Type R line right there. As you can see, mine's up front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more pulling up. Just wanted to get this video started for you guys. But yeah, I want to show you guys the group. Everybody say what's up.
What's up? What's up?
Get everybody there. Taz.
Yo.
There's Taz. Taz's wife. Romeo. Yep.
You didn't know what I was talking about. Just like, dude.
And I forgot. Brent. Chase. Taylor. Yeah, so we're all here. The movie starts at 7 p.m. you guys, but yeah, it should be a dope time for sure. We got a little mini car show right here. We're still waiting for 3 more people, but I'll keep you guys updated, show you guys some of the cars and stuff, and maybe after the movie, because we are getting pretty close on time here. But don't go anywhere, stay right here, stay blessed, keep working hard, keep grinding. Much love and blessings, guys. Be right back. Showing you guys some of the cars here. Mine, Darren's, got the homie Taz right there with the dope Advans. This is Chase's black Type R. Gino's, you can tell with the red mud flaps. Boost Blue. New homie that was added to the group. And we got another one pulling up right here. Oh yeah, this is the guy that bought my, I think he bought the HKS pipes, yeah, I believe. Got a red one here. Got another one here. Those are dope. TC4s, Advans, bolts. Just pulling up. So we got one more spot right here, another spot right there, and then I believe we have another spot here as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool, y'all. I'll film going up to the movie theater with everybody too. But yeah, just want to keep you guys updated. Hope you guys are doing good. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe, as it really helps my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Again, much love and blessings. See you guys in a sec. All right, here we are, y'all. Harkins Theaters, Scottsdale 101, Cine Capri. There's the crew in front of me. Zach still isn't here, so I don't know, he's running late, but he should be here like in the next couple minutes. Oh yeah, we're going in. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'll do some more video, obviously after the movie. Much love. All right, guys, so if you can see me in the light, we're just getting everybody's opinions. Gino, what did you think, man?
It was great. Good movie.
Yeah?
Yeah. Favorite part was when they squished the Toyota Supra.
Okay, so Gino, you liked it? What did you give it? Like 3, 4 out of 5?
What's 1 out of 5? I'd give it a 4.
4. Okay.
4.5.
What about you, man?
It was a 4. I'm gonna go try to find a Fiero. I need one of those.
Darren's back on channel. Darren, what'd you give it out of 5?
With the NSX that shows
say about 4.
and then doesn't do anything.
It's fun. That's some good cars.
I'm like, oh hey, cool.
Some good action scenes.
Probably the worst sounding
anything like Jaguar I've heard though.
Right.
I don't know what that has.
What did you give it, bro? Out of 5?
Definitely the movie was good.
At least race something at some point.
Options there, but at least it was enjoyable.
Okay, so what do you give it out of 5, man?
Yeah, you're
I would say somewhere around the 3.
There hasn't been a cool Civic and a Fast and the Furious since the second one.
What did you give it out of 5, sir?
I'll give it a solid 4 out of 5. Like
4 out of 5.
it was very far-fetched. I don't know. It seemed a little weird.
Civic in the second one.
What did you give it, sir? Out
I'd
of
give
5?
it a good 4. It was typical Fast and Furious. Typical. It's just
Typical.
that some funny stuff. Like I still got to figure out how Han got out of the car so quickly.
He wasn't in the car.
He wasn't in the car. Don't talk about. There was a robot driving.
Yeah, we can't talk about the movie. Spoilers.
Oh, okay.
You guys, no spoilers. Hold that thought.
Okay.
All right, Chase, your turn.
6, not enough Civics.
6 out of 5, sir?
Oh, we're doing out of 5? 3 out of 5.
Okay.
I gave it a 4.
I give it a 3 out of 5 too.
3 out of 5.
I had some giggles.
Okay. That's everybody, right? Where's Zach? All right, so you guys want to know my opinion on it? I'm gonna give it a 3.5 out of 5. The reason being, I thought they're gonna bring back some more, you know, race scenes and stuff like that, like they were promising 2 years ago. But they had some car events, you know, nothing major though. But I did like a lot of the action scenes. I liked a lot of, you know, the past, how it meets the future, and it all comes together at the end. So a lot of milestones, so say. It's getting dark right here, but there we go. But yeah, anyways, get a couple more things of footage here, and then we'll go from there. Hope you guys are doing great. Movie's about, what was it, 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 45 minutes. So, all right guys, hold on. I want to show you guys all the lights on the Type Rs, all on a line here. Check it out, check it out. Got a Maserati parked in the space. Damn, Gran Turismo, right? V8. More lights, Type Rs, Type Rs. Here we go. Show going on with the Type R. Everybody's rolling out. Darren's. Mine. All right, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a like. Consider subscribing, and always remember, never give up. Don't hesitate for a damn thing. Live life to your fullest. Hang out with your friends, your family, people that support you. Those are the ones that matter. Much love, guys. Until next time, this is Skylyfe Projects, and we out.